Today we are going to discuss about concentration methods. Last video already we discussed about W by W percent, V by V percent, and W by V percent. Today we are going to discuss about next method, strength of solution. Strength of solution. So I'm writing shortcut SS. So strength of solution is one of the concentration methods. That units is gram per liter. So based on unit we can write the definition also, and as well as formula also you can write. You can see how to write. W grams of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called strength of solution. So now you can see here the strength of solution equal to W grams by V liters. Now you can convert into ml. W grams by V ml in 2000. So this is the strength of solution. We'll try to use W by W percent and W by V percent also in terms of strength. How to calculate? Suppose they are given W by V percent. The problem, how to calculate strength of solution, and W by W percent they are given, how to calculate strength of solution. We'll see that those conversions also. So strength of solution equal to I can see here W grams by V ml 1000 I can write here 100 into 10. So this is we call W by V percent. W grams by V ml of solution into 100 we call W by V percent. So you can write strength of solution equal to W by V percent into 10. This is in terms of W by V percent and strength of solution. And we know that one density of solution equal to weight of solution by volume of solution. So volume of solution, what we can write, sir? So weight of solution by density of solution. Is it clear? So this is anyway solution. Strength of solution equal to volume of solution. This is W grams by V ml of solution. This is into 1000. So 1000 I can write 100 into 10. So substitute wherever V solution is there, you can substitute in terms of weight and density. Now check it here. W grams by W solution by density solution into 100 into 10. So this density will go up. Now we can write W grams by W solution into 100 into 10 into density. Now check it, what we can write in place of W by W into 100. What we can write, sir? So this is we call W by W percent. This we call W by W percent. So strength of solution equal to W by W percent into 10 into density. So this is the in terms of W by W percent. So we can write here molarity also, another concentration method, that is molarity. Mostly we are using laboratory and practicals, and every case molarity only we are using general concentration methods. So capital M is the symbol. If you know these all concentration methods, we can enjoy all practicals. we have 11th standard, 12th standard practicals. Even you can dominate your lab teacher also. If you know how to convert molarity into normality or any given solution, how to dilute, if you know all these terms, easily you can dominate your lab teacher also. Even you'll get perfectly. Whenever they're asking Viva, all these type of question based on solutions, we can answer perfectly and confidently. Okay, now check it. Molarity. I'm giving just brief definitions, not according to textbook, whatever they're given, but simple definitions. N moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called molarity. So unit you may can write mole per liter. So I'm going to derive formula from unit only. Otherwise, if you know formula, you can write unit, or you know unit, you can write formula. It is temperature dependent. It is temperature dependent. By changing temperature, volume of the solution going to be changed. That's why concentration also going to be changed. That's why we call this is temperature dependent. So I'm writing formula molarity equal to mole per liter. N is the mole symbol per V liters. Now we can write N is the number of moles formula weight by given molecular mass into volume. You can convert into ml 1000 by VML. So N equal to I'm writing, sir, weight by gram molecular mass. This is the N formula. We have to know this one. So this is the molarity formula. Now we can check it here. We can write molarity in terms of strength of solution and W by W percent and W by V percent also. Now write molarity equal to, I'm writing here W by VML into 1000 by gram molecular mass. So nothing is changing here. So can you identify here, which we are rounding that what we called W by VML into 1000. We are going to be called strength of solution. Now only given, you may can check it. So this is we call strength of solution. Strength of solution by gram molecular mass. So I hope you know strength of solution in terms of W by V and W by W percent. We given here in terms of strength of solution, what we can write W by V percent into 10 we can write, and as well as in terms of W by W percent, W by W percent into 10 into density. So can you substitute here? Try. So molarity equal to W by V percent into 10. I'm writing in place of strength of solution by gram molecular mass. This is the molarity. Even I can write molarity in terms of W by W percent. W by W percent into 10 into density by gram molecular mass. All these are the different forms of molarity. All these are different forms of molarity. So you can try one problem how to solve this question. For example, calculate the molarity of 20 W by V percent of NaOH solution. Can you try it? So write molarity first. Molarity equal to, this is the formula, W by V percent into 10 by gram molecular mass. So W by V percent is 20 into 10 by gram molecular mass is 40. So you can calculate here 2 times then 10 by 2, nothing but 5. This is, you have to mention unit, molarity or moles per liter. I hope you understood. Thank you very much. If you need further concentration methods, you may can see another video. So you can see next video. Thank you everyone.